Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Aloysius. Yo, Aloysius, what's up? Clover, let's go. So for Clover, ta-da! So this is where Clover is at the moment. This was the accumulation phase for Clover. We have already blasted off. And right now, yeah, we're already in a bullish trend. We're above the skinny pink line. And we are expecting more upside to come for Clover. Right now, we are in a correction deep, and I suspect that eventually we will be reversing back up again. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Clover, and I suspect we will go to around, again, there's a noisy area over here, so this is at around $1 plus. Right now we're at 10 cents, so if you are patient enough and you can wait for Clover to drop to, let's say, for example, 9 cents, right? Let's say we drop to 9.5 cents, you make an entry at 9.5 cents, and you hold it all the way up to, let's say, $1 plus. It's 1,000%, yo. 1,000%. So again, no guarantees. Clover can just drop to zero at any time. You lose all of your money, sure, of course. But if all things go well, this is a potential 1,000%. We are already in a bullish trend. So if anything, I would expect Clover Finance to do pretty well. But yeah, again, I still think that it's better to have proper risk management. Learn how to truly trade properly, so that even if things go wrong, you can cut your trade, cut your positions, and then you can live to fight for another day. So it's very important to know what you're doing. But yeah, I think Clover is already in a bullish trend, and it's more likely than not to go higher. Because as a trader, we can't talk in absolutes, right? No guarantees. So yeah, there you go. And Red Rock, hello from Vienna. Please, could you check Siacoin? Siacoin is still good. We've talked about Siacoin before. Siacoin has a big target over here, 55 cents. We're expecting it to hit. Nothing new there. CFG, yes, we have also talked about CFG before. And we expect, CFG has hit targets. Let's go. That's it. That's our CFG target. 96 cents, yeah, about $1. That's it. Could we still go high? Yeah, of course. Again, noisy area over here. So I suspect we're gonna clear these highs, which is at around 170. So from here to 170 is another 93%. Right, potentially more upside to come for CFG. I am not sure if we have more history than that. Oh, CFG is even higher. What? It's $20, yo. What? Okay. But let's remain realistic and just consider this, right? So, yeah, about 170, maybe close to $2. If I had to guess, yeah, around 170, 180, somewhere around there, potentially. And again, we're already in a bullish trend, and we expect this trend to continue higher until we touch the skinny pink line. Until that happens, we remain with a bullish bias. Key, yes, so Key still looks pretty good to me. Key is still in some sort of a accumulation, not exactly high quality. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and yo, bro, this is a higher low. Sorry, higher high. So I'm like, okay. So I'm going to consider Key to have already been broken up, right? Something like this. Not exactly textbook perfect, but some sort of a squeeze. But the thing is that the resistance is very slanted. So I suspect that even if we were to hit higher, there could be a deep retrace coming on for Key, you see. So, I mean, if you're already in Key, and if Key really does go higher, you must secure your profits. You must go against the herd. The herd will say, Key is gonna go to $1. Yeah, you need to secure, right? But you don't have to secure 100%, but you can secure, in chunks, right? Here and there, here and there. So, yeah. Another question. Many experts recommend Malaysia for retirement or second residence because of low taxes and similar reasons. What is my opinion on Malaysia? So again, like all things, for me, if I were to consider moving to, I don't know, anywhere it is, like let's say Malaysia, right? So, it's just Google is your best friend. Pros and cons, Malaysia, expat. That's it. So, okay, internationalliving.com has this. So you can look at what, is 8th in its list. View world rankings. Oh, there's a world rankings. I didn't know that. International Living. Is this like an expat magazine or something? Colombia. Hola. France. Greece, Ecuador, Spain, Panama Papers, Mexico, okay, Portugal, US, where's Bali, where's Indonesia, where's Thailand? Okay, let's just go in Malaysia first. And yeah, and you just check out how it is in Malaysia, right? Pros and cons. Low stress, when I took it easy, when I had a home country, budget 2005. Yes, 2005 you live very comfortably. You can cover your rental, your groceries, your utilities, water, electricity, your cell. Yeah, I think it's pretty good in terms of that settling in. Yeah, because the thing is that in Malaysia, everyone speaks English, you see, which is very similar to Singapore. So, okay, let me just draw you a map. Google.com. Let's just zoom out a little bit. All right. So this is the map of the world. Hello, everybody. You're probably watching from most of the people watching my channel is from is it Germany? Wait, hang on. Let me just see. Analytics audience. Hey, look at this. Where are my audiences from? So you can see US, UK, Netherlands, Canada, Germany. So hello everybody. Hello everybody. Where's this? Hello everybody. Germany. Hello everybody. Okay, anyway, if you're thinking of moving to Southeast Asia, there are several places which, in my opinion, you can take a look at, right? You don't have to just restrict yourself to Malaysia, right? To be honest, you can consider Taiwan. You'll be surprised. Taiwan is also quite interesting. There's also, of course, okay, wait, bro, you need to include Bali, then Pasok. So this is Bali here, right? There is Singapore, there is Malaysia, there is Thailand, there's also Vietnam. I know a few people in Vietnam. There's one guy, he's a crypto trader. I'm not the wolf, I think it's called. I'm not the wolf, yeah. So this guy is in this guy's in Ho Chi Minh. So yeah. Anyway. Where else? Oh, there's also another guy, very popular. He's called the Best Food Review Show. I'm not sure if you heard of this. The Best Food Review Show. This guy is very interesting. So I like this guy. Very interesting guy. Yeah, so his base is also in Vietnam. Very interesting guy. So you can consider Vietnam as well, to be honest. There's also Philippines, right? I'm not so sure about the internet in the Philippines though. And also I mean, if in the capital city, I think it should be fine. And everyone in the Philippines speaks English as well, right? So when you talk about English, then yeah, Philippines, there's Malaysia, there's Singapore. I think Taiwan is relatively highly educated. I'm not too sure about English though. But I think Korea will also be okay. Super fast internet, right? Every day you can go dance Gangnam Style. Tokyo will also be interesting, but language will be a problem. You have to learn Japanese. I don't know about the internet speeds though. Yeah, I think Vietnam's also not too bad. If you stick to the capital cities, right? Yeah, that's my take. This location. Cambodia is also up and coming. So yeah, if you were in Indonesia, most people just go to Bali. But if you're in Bali, you will normally stick to your own expat community. You won't. You don't tend to explore out of it. You see, not many people tend to explore out of their like expat community. I'm not sure about Philippines though. Thailand has a huge expat community. But again, like all countries, right? There's always pros and cons. Right? If you are someone who is relatively, if you're middle aged, right, or you have a family, you have to look at education, right? You also have to look at healthcare. If you're young and you're like, I don't know, 19 years old, 18 years old, sure, you can go anywhere. But if healthcare is of importance to you, education for your children is important for you as well, then, it will narrow down your search. So it depends on what your needs are, right? I'm going to assume it's fast internet. So I think everywhere should have fast internet. Infrastructure. Okay, Singapore, if you were to ask me, Singapore is absolute the best. Absolute the best. But properties there is expensive, right? If you were to rent, it's just insanity. It's just absolute insanity for renting. But the standard of living there is very high, right? The weather is also very relatively, monotonous. Not monotonous, but there's no 4 seasons, right? In Southeast Asia, maybe in Taiwan you will experience it, right? As you go higher, right? Chiang Mai, there's like sort of not exactly winter, but Chiang Mai also has a very big expat community. So my advice would be to just explore, right? Explore, Thailand, go to Vietnam, go to Ho Chi Minh City, go to Manila, go to Taipei. To be honest, even go to Tokyo and Seoul. Check them out. Go to Bali. A lot of people are in Bali. A lot of content creators in Bali. Canggu, right? CANGGU in Bali. Again, go to Singapore. Everywhere. Just go everywhere. Because the thing is, in Asia, it's relatively cheap to move around. And relatively affordable, right? It's just that maybe in Korea and Japan it could be a little bit more expensive, right? And also Singapore, but elsewhere I think you can afford to travel around, right? You get relatively comfortable accommodations, and that's my take. I'll just pack a laptop and I'll just travel around and see how how things are, right? If you're single on your own, then sure, it'd be much easier. But if you have a family, then you have to do your online research first, right? Again, I'm not the right person to be going to, but there's this YouTube channel again. He's Andrew Henderson of Nomad Capitalist, right? This guy will help you relocate, right, or whatever it is that. Yeah, so this guy is quite good.
All right,
Andrew Henderson. So I like Andrew Henderson, right? He had I think he has some connections with Roger Ver. Some Norris, so you can watch him, right? I think this is a very good channel to be subscribed to. Andrew Henderson. So why rich people should live in cheap countries? Why? Okay, I haven't watched this yet. Dubai. Yeah, also there's also Dubai, correct. How could I have missed out Dubai? Okay, we're talking about Southeast Asia and Asia in general, right? To be honest, even Dubai is part of Asia. Middle East, but it's still considered Asia. You should also consider Dubai, right? A lot of people are in Dubai as well. Scammers as well. But the point is that, I should say. A lot of questionable people in Dubai as well. But the point is that, you should explore Dubai, to be honest. Check it out. Abu Dhabi, Dubai. I think you're in Europe, right? Have you checked out Portugal as well? Porto or Lisbon, right? There are a lot of people but I think they've changed their tax laws, right? Low tax countries, so I think Singapore, Malaysia will be good as well, right? You should, check it out wherever it is. Travel around. See if it's for you, right? Ask around, and again, I can't answer this question for you. Only you can answer this question. So, I hope that helps. Where do you see this peak bull run? Price prediction, speculation. Okay, so for BTC, we have 3 targets, to be honest. I don't know if all 3 is going to hit or not, right? We are already severely overbought. Severely, there has to be a retrace of some sort, or it can't be going up forever. Again, if anything, I would assume this is a 1 and this is a 2, right? This whole thing is a 3. I don't know if this is going to be a fake breakout, and then we come back down, and then we create a 4 before going up for a 5, right? So the 3 targets that we have is, first target is 90,000, second target is about 135. I don't know about that. And then the third target is 175. I'm like, I don't know about 175. But 90,000, very likely 90,000. So I don't know about 135. But so we're just looking at 90,000 at the moment. So all eyes on 90,000. Anyway, that's my take for the moment. You will know when things are about to turn, when you start seeing volume, rising as well. So that's my take for Bitcoin, right? We will know if and when things are ending. I still feel that Bitcoin is consolidating, right? The best thing that could happen for Bitcoin in general, right, is that we consolidate and do nothing until the halving. Once the halving is over, then only do we continue higher. That would be the best case scenario. But if we break out now before the halving, I don't think it's going to be good. So again, we'll see how it goes first though. I would prefer to, stay in the range until the halving first. So yeah, again, we'll see how it goes. We're not too sure. CNE ICP has a market cap in the billions. So what you're implying is ICP is going to hit 100 billion. Yo, bro, ICP USDT. Okay, let's look at ICP first. Where is ICP right now? $16, right? So if we go to ICP, it's at 21, and the market cap is 7.7 billion, right? So again, we're stating the possibilities of where ICP could go to, right? 246, is that possible? Sure. Realistically, right? Realistically, this is a very big noisy area. So we're gonna probably hit major resistance close to, I think we're gonna clear all of these highs. So we're gonna hit major resistance around $60. So let's say, for example, right now we're at $16. We go up to, let's say, $63, for example. It's 276%. Let's go back to where ICP is 7.7. Okay, let's take out the calculator. Right, 7.7 billion times 200 and okay, let's say it's 300%. 300% is just a round 3. Gets you 23 billion. Do you think it's possible for ICP to hit 23 billion? Yeah. This would potentially put it into the top 20. Right now, if ICP right now just suddenly out of nowhere 1 second, pop, we go up to 300%, we'll be in the top 10. But if Bitcoin were to rise, very likely everyone is going to rise as well. The total market cap is also going to rise as well. So is it possible that ICP hits towards 24 billion? 24 billion? 23 billion? Yeah, sure, of course. It's not out of the realms of possibility. So yeah, this was a very long drawn out accumulation. And usually the accumulation is equivalent to the height of the rise. Usually. So yeah, I think there's more upside to come. If anything, I will consider this as a wave 3. We're in the middle of a wave 3. So wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. Hope that helps. Thank you for being so incredible. You're welcome. Thanks, Skinny. I really appreciate it. Thank you. What about CFG? Yo, bro, I just did it. Can you make a video about CERE, please? CERE. This is CERE. Okay, CERE, we have a target over here. I think I just did CERE last week, if I'm not wrong. 2.3 cents is the target. Talk about COREUM. Okay, so COREUM on gate. Okay, we're hitting a skinny pink line. I don't like this. But at the same time, this is a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. So if anything, if let's say we ignore the skinny pink line, right? This whole thing is a wave 1. Down for a wave 2. Up for a wave 3. Down for a 4. Up for a 5. Potentially. Right? No guarantees. Of course, we could come all the way down. Right? And this whole thing could be a 5-wave move. Right? Before we hit higher. Again, we're not entirely sure. So for me, COREUM is a next coin. I'm bullish too on this one. Solo, good luck to you. Dogi on the rise. Let's go. Amazing analysis, Brody. The best gratitude. Thank you very much. Fresh out the oven. Boom. Cardano. Let's go. If you're my biggest best Cardano and it's been painful, you bro. Learn technical analysis. High fives. If all things go well, I will see you personally and shake your hands. Been here since 2017. All your calls have been strong. Okay. Remember IOTA? Inverse. Head and shoulders. Let's go. Pro can reach 50. Okay, good luck to you. LTO looks great. Good luck to you. Fresh out the oven. If you could have 50,000, what would be your package positions in the long term? I will invest in my own self. And I will learn proper technical analysis. You will only attract a big amount of money equivalent to your own education. Right? If you are not as... Okay, let's say, for example, right? You buy the lottery. You make a lot of money. What happens? More likely than not, you're going to lose it all. You're going to be spending it all, or you're going to get so high on your wins and you'll be hoping and betting for the next win, right? There is no structure to your money management. Right? There's no risk management, no money management. So Again, if I had $50,000, I'll probably, let's say, set aside $10,000 and I will invest in my own education. Learn proper technical analysis, buy some books, and yeah, learn proper TA. Gensaw. Where's this? Kajoro says, love your video skinny. What do you think of POPCAT? POPCAT just... Okay, wait. Let's look at it here. Okay, let's look at DEX tools. POPCAT. So POPCAT has just blasted off not too long ago, 3 months ago. I think POPCAT is definitely going to get, not definitely, but very likely going to get listed, right? There was a consolidation over here, right? We've already popped out. Looks like we're consolidating a little bit more. So yeah, I think we're going to pop out for the second move, right? If this whole thing is a wave 1, this is a 2. Very likely we get a 3, 4, 5. Very likely, right? Again, we still would love to see a proper chart pattern first before doing anything. If you look over here, the volume is so high, right? And this is a higher high. Is it a higher high? Okay, wait, let me just check. Yeah, it's a higher high. So higher highs are bearish divergences. Lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. There's a loss of strength. So you could see POPCAT potentially dropping a bit lower. Any support? Yeah, there's a little bit of a noise over here. If you drop down to the 4 hours, you will see it. So we might stop at around, I don't know, sub 10 cents maybe? Again, not too sure. No strong opinion on POPCAT. So for me, POPCAT is the next coin. There are some big Twitter influencers. I forgot who were they. Was it Ritika? I think it's Ritika and Blicker. Was it? Okay, I don't know. They were talking about POPCAT. Okay, where's this? Yeah, bro. First, let's give him a medal. Here you go. No, let's give him a cookie. Here's your cookie for being first. Cuban Link says, man, of all the YouTubers I've watched since early 2000, they're going to the crypto. You're the most concise and easy to understand when explaining charts and outlooks. Thank you. You're welcome. At least the sleeper bags are loaded. Let's go. Great project. 23,000. Okay, good luck to you. Watch your video since last time. Why your channel don't grow? Because you know shit. Meta Hero new roadmap is out there. Let's go. Fire. Please content also. Just COREUM. Amazing feedback. Super Saiyan. Let's go. All right. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's comments, replies. Thank you very much for all the comments. I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you and see you in the next one.